Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. In this lesson, we'll be painting a soft and dreamy misty meadow, complete with fog, glowing fireflies, and delicate wildflowers. This relaxing project is perfect for beginners who want to practice blending, mist effects, and simple details that bring a magical scene to life. Here are the materials you'll need for this tutorial. Pause here to gather your supplies. You'll also find the full materials list in the description below. Let's begin by preparing the background. Squeeze out light purple, mid-gray, titanium white, and a little burnt umber directly onto your canvas. With a wet flat brush, start blending in horizontal strokes from top to bottom. Keep your brush slightly damp so the paint moves smoothly. If needed, add a few gentle crisscross strokes to soften the transitions. This base will create the mood for our foggy meadow. Now let's build some atmosphere. Thin your purple paint slightly and load it onto a Filbert brush. In the middle section of the canvas, tap gently to form soft bush shapes. Blend their bottoms so they melt into the background. Move higher on the canvas and add tree-like silhouettes using the same purple. Keep them blurry. Foggy scenes should have soft edges, not sharp lines. Blend outward to diffuse the shapes. Mix cobalt blue with purple for a deeper tone and use it to add larger tree silhouettes in the upper left corner. These layers give depth and variation. Next, take titanium white on your brush. Use a very light hand and apply it across the horizon. Blend in circular and horizontal motions to form mist. Build this slowly. Fog looks best when layered in subtle amounts. Now we'll extend the fog. Brush soft white over the trees and into the foreground so it flows naturally across the canvas. This ties the scene together into a single, misty layer. Add another pass of fog in the lower canvas with your Filbert brush to make it denser and atmospheric. Move higher on the canvas and add tree-like silhouettes. Keep them blurry. Foggy scenes should have soft edges. These layers give depth and variation. In the foreground, it's time to add meadow details. With a fine liner brush, load burnt umber and sap green and begin painting stems. Scatter them randomly, with some taller and some shorter. Don't worry about making them perfect. Natural meadows look messy and wild. Add thicker stems here and there and cluster them to suggest bushes. Balance this with another soft fog layer using very little white paint on your brush. Use a very light hand and apply it across the horizon. Blend in circular and horizontal motions to form mist. Add more definition to a few tall stems in the foreground using burnt umber and black. Add a few bunches of tiny blossoms along stems for variety. Let's bring the meadow to life with glowing fireflies. Take an old round brush, dip it into medium yellow, and tap soft, blurry circles across the scene. Then, with lemon yellow, add smaller dots inside each circle to create glowing centers. Now for the fun details. Flowers. Partially mix purple and white on your palette, then tap the tip of your brush to make small circular flowers. Keep them larger in the foreground and smaller in the distance. This variation creates depth. Cluster some fireflies in pairs or trios for a natural effect. To finish, step back and admire your misty meadow, glowing with light and atmosphere. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more relaxing tutorials each week. And here's something special for our community. Our Paint Your Own Happiness course is the perfect next step in your creative journey. It's a complete program designed to help you paint confidently while also finding more joy in the process. As one of our YouTube viewers, you can take advantage of special community pricing. $9 month subscription access or $25 limited time community price. Get lifetime access by acting now before this offer disappears into the mist. Learn more at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses or use the links below. Thanks for painting with us today. We can't wait to see your own version of this misty meadow.